Sammie's Pressure King recipe channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. So I've been brought a new appliance. It's not the Pressure King Pro, but this is the Tefal Actifry. Now we have an admin in my group who actually has started a UK air fryer group. Now I wanted to try and, as you've seen on my channel, I'm trying to go a bit more healthy, and we're going to learn how to maybe use this machine. Thought I'd give it a record and see how we get on. Now I'm going to be doing sausage and chips in here tonight. So first attempt, never used the machine before, so we're going to give it a go and see how we get on. I'm going to go prep my ingredients and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Okay, so firstly I will apologise about the pyjama situation. Not feeling great today, but I thought I'd still do a video anyway. Okay, so with the Tefal Actifry, you get the machine. This is the originals. This is the Tefal Actifry original. You get a little recipe book. You get your little spoon, and now I believe that up to the max line in here is where you use your oil, and that's all the oil that you'll need, and you just spread it around. So thank you to Kev, Karen and a few other users that have been using the Actifry and the power air fryers and all that sort of stuff. I've never used one of these before, so it's all new for me. So they've all been giving me a few different timings and whatnot. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to have a quick look. Like I said, this is all new for me, so I don't know what I'm doing. So in here it says real homemade fries. So you get this is going to feed 3 people. Okay, so those are fresh potatoes. Hang on a sec. Let's have a quick nosy. Okay, so frozen, suitable for deep frying or oven. So if they are frozen, 2-way or 3-way cook. Okay, so they have to go in for, based on the thickness, between 30 and 32 minutes. So, sausages, I'm doing a few. So what we're going to do, I'm going to put in a pack of sausages in because we're trying to get rid of them. So we're going to put 8 sausages in along with a bowl of chips as well. So we're using McCain's frozen chips, and I'm using Porky Light sausages. So I don't really know what I'm meant to do. Now I do know that when you're using your sausages, when it's cooking, it does drain a lot of fat off. So using that, well, say a lot, I don't know, but using the amount of fat that comes off that, you're not going to need any oil in here for this one. So we're not going to put any oil in. What I think I'm going to do, just to start with, because my sausages aren't exactly defrosted, shall we say. They are a little bit frozen still. I'm just going to pop these sausages in first, stick them on for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to have a look and see where we are with them and see if they've defrosted a little, and then we'll put the chips in on top of that. So that's my sausages in. Okay, so I'm all new to this, so I guess you put the lid down. Then we press the big button here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'll see if I can turn it. We've got an on button. Oh wow, okay. Oh okay. I don't know what I'm doing at the minute. Right, timer. So you press that up to 10, and then press on. Is that it? I think that's it. And it just away it goes. Now we'll leave it on for 10 minutes. We'll come back and see how they're getting on, and then we're going to add in the chips. So I won't be long, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so as you can see, we are now 10 minutes into the Actifry cooking the sausages. So they're doing quite quickly actually. Now I believe these are taking about 15 to 20 minutes now. We've put it on for 10 minutes already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the sausages out for about 10 minutes, add the chips because the chips need to go in for about 30 minutes, and then we'll add the sausages back in about 10-15 minutes before the chips are due to finish, and then we'll come back and see how we get on. So far so good. Only thing I'm not too keen about is there's no a timing beeper to say when it's finished, so it just continues to keep going. I'm not sure if that's normal or not, but that's where we are at the moment. So I'll be back shortly to let you see the final product. Hi guys, welcome back. So currently the chips are doing really nicely. There's 17 minutes left on. Now I put these on for 30 minutes, so there's 17 minutes left on the chips. So I'm going to now add the sausages back in because these chips are looking pretty well done. So once I've added the sausages, I'll bring you back and I'll show you exactly what to do next. Oh wow, sorry, I didn't mean to drop my phone there. Welcome back. Okay, so the Actifry's been on now for half an hour. I've just taken a sausage out and I'm just chopping into it now to have a quick look, and it looks perfectly done. So let me just switch around and show you what it looks like. So as you can see, that is now finished. I'm going to get this plated up and show you what the final product looks like. So there we have it. That is the sausage and chips done in the Actifry. So it was actually on for 30 minutes all in total. That was including the sausages and the chips. Just flip you around and finish up the video. So there you have it. That is just sausage and chips, plain and boring, eh? So that is done in the Tefal Actifry. So as I get a bit more experienced with it, I'll be posting a few more different videos. So if you like the look of it, please feel free to join Karen's air fryer group, which is linked at the top of our group at Sammie's Pressure King Recipe Group on Facebook. Should you have any questions, fire them all at Karen, because I'm just a newbie with this machine. So fire them all over at Karen and she'll help you out. Other than that, I will see you in Saturday's video this week, doing the chicken fried rice in the Pressure King Pro 6 litre, which is available for all models. Thanks very much for watching Sammie's Pressure King Recipe channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!